Italian words that begins with Q. Quercia, oak, quaderno, notebook, quattro, 4, quadro, square, 15, 15, quotidiano, daily, quando, when, qualcuno, someone, 40, 40, questionario, questionnaire. Italian words that has Q at the middle. Aquario, aquarium. 5, 5, aqua, water. Aquilone, kite, aquila, eagle. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.